Pag-usapan natin ang kahalagahan ng long-term care mula sa librong Saving Your Future. Think about it. If you have to take care of the parents while having a job and a family, it can be a huge burden. Tama naman na talagang mahirap pag mayroon tayong aging parents. Many people may have to quit their job to look after their parents. Even elderly persons who lack money and assistance have to take care of their spouses, and they are not physically or mentally capable to handle it. Magastos talaga kapag pinag-uusapan ng healthcare. And sabi nga, 70% of people over age 65 will require some long-term care services. So, kailangan talaga nating lahat na magkaroon ng long-term healthcare dahil lahat tayo magre-retire at tatanda at mangangailangan tayo ng healthcare. And ang maganda rito, may product na Kaiser na tinatawag na 3-in-1 na. Ngayon pa lang na bata ka, pwede mo nang paghandaan, pwede ka nang mag-save. Kaya noong 2012, nagsimula ako dito kahit na may short-term healthcare pa naman ako sa aking company. Kasi 3-in-1 na to na parang kape. Dito may long-term healthcare ka na, meron ka pang life insurance, at pag hindi ka nagkakasakit, yung investment mo ay nag-grow. May savings ka dito na nagko-compound ang interest. To know more about Kaiser, message mo lang ako sa FB, Celis Capistrano.